In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can recover deleted messages here on WhatsApp. This is super simple to do, but if you do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide though, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really just helps out and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. But getting into this obviously does work on iPhone, Android, and Samsung devices, so it doesn't matter what you're on. I'm on an iPhone in this example, but it's going to work for everything. But go ahead first and open up WhatsApp, and down at the very bottom, you're going to see the settings section. It may be up in the top if you are not on an iPhone, just keep that in mind. But from here, go ahead and scroll down, and what you're looking for is the option that says storage and data. Go ahead and open that up. From here, go ahead and select manage storage up at the very top, and this is going to show you all of your stored chats and media. Sometimes messages and media you thought were deleted are still available here, so it's worth checking first. From here, go back to your main settings page and scroll down to the chats option right here and open it up. From here, scroll down a little bit more, you're going to see chat backup. Go ahead and select that. And from here, you could see when your last backup was. Mine was actually today at 8:35 p.m. But if the deleted messages existed before your last backup, you can actually recover them by just backing out of WhatsApp, holding down on it, and then hitting remove app, and then going to your app store and essentially re-downloading WhatsApp. Whenever you load back into it, it's going to give you an opportunity to restore from the last backup. Go ahead and choose that, and you'll get all of those messages back. Now, the final thing that you can do, which a lot of people don't know about, is you can go down into your settings and then go ahead and select account. And then from here, you can actually hit request account info and then request an account report. WhatsApp is going to generate downloadable data associated with your account, which is going to include message related information and activity details. Just keep in mind, WhatsApp cannot recover messages that were deleted before the backup was made. Backups are the key part of message recovery. But yeah, it really is as simple as that. If you do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide though, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really just helps out and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.